Thanks for coming. And like all the other lessons, all the lessons that we've begun, we're going to do two video clips, each of them about 5 minutes long. So this one is English and Navajo. The reason why it's English and Navajo is because we want to tell you about the language. That's the reason why we do this. Today we'll talk about family. Shike, shike, you know, my family. I should have been saying my family or my relatives. Okay. All right, let's go continue to the next slide. Hakoshila. First thing I want you to remind you of is the phrase on top, the nebizad yada halyaniki or yada halyane. And so that we place that on ourselves because we are. We whether we are Navajo, non-Navajo, who are learning about this language, or speakers or non-speakers or limited speaker, we're all responsible. Uh, Especially the ones that are really good at speaking this language. We need to seek them and ask them so we can be taught. So we're going to talk about the language. There's me in the middle. That'll be sh. Okay, and then so everybody relates to me, right? Everybody's sh. If it was yours, it'd be ne. If it was his, it'd be be. But here it's sh. So when I say Grace, that'd be my mother, Shema. If it's Elliot, it'd be Shije, my father. If it's Betty, it'll be Shibija, or I can call her Shema. That's my father's sister. And my father's brother, Bobby A. Shibija Bidishnido. I'll call him Shibija or Shija. And then over here on my mother's side, Tom, I'll call him Shuda. A girl can call, if I was a girl, I would still call him Shuda. Or I can call him Shiyaj, my uncle. And then over here, Sue would be my Shemayaja, my aunt, my mother's sister. Okay? And then down here below, we have Rose is Shade, my older sister. Adobat, my little Deja, Shadeja, my little sister. And then over here, Hank is Shana, my older brother. And then Roy would be my Shitsile. Okay, today, so what we're going to do is today we're going to talk about Roy and Roy, 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 who is he? Who is Roy? Roy. So my question is, who is Roy? And look at over here in the chart. Roy. Oh yeah, that's your little brother. So I can't use Shitsile again. I have to say ne. That I'm talking about the person in the middle. Nitsile. So Roy Nitsile. Okay. And I might put another name in there like Tom. Tom, and I would say Tom, die. See, it's it's not me talking about you guys are answering the question, so you would say nita. All right, got it. Okay, now I'm going to add one more. Hank do means and. Hank do ba Hank do ba nina. See over here was shana, but now we're talking about yours. You asked, I asked the question, and you answered me back. So you would say, Hank do ba nina do neteja. Okay, and then we'll practice with two more names, and we'll get used to that. We'll have competition again. That Roy should select. That's what I'm asking you. Is Roy my children? Okay, Roy. Oh yeah, yeah, that is. So you say, oh, Roy Nitzile. You're telling me, so Nitzile. And then we'll add some more names. We'll have a little competition on that one. Then we'll do a negative. That Roy Shadeja. Roy, where's Roy? Oh, that's Nitzile. No, that's not Shadeja. Over here. Roy. Roy. So what we have to say is he's not my little sister. And so I'll say, Ndaga Roy do or you'll answer me. Roy's not your little sister. Ndaga Roy do ita. Roy nitsile. So I'm gonna correct it. Roy nitsile. So you're gonna correct it for me. And then we'll do practice on the negatives a little bit more. So These are all the things that we're going to be teaching you today. Thank you, Kat.